Hey everyone, this is Christopher. I'm going to do an unboxing today. However, it's going to be kind of different than what you might be used to. I am going to unbox McDonald's new adult Happy Meal. Apparently they're playing on nostalgia, and so they came out with this limited edition Happy Meal for adults. And as you can see, it's made very similarly to the Happy Meal boxes that we had as children, as compared to, let me see that one, as compared to modern Happy Meal boxes, which connect up here. These ones have the side ones that always used to frustrate everybody because it would never stay shut. Well, that's the ones they used. So they have here, we see they have Grimace, and there's a new character, a cactus guy. Apparently the prizes inside include the new cactus guy, Grimace, Birdie, or the Hamburglar. But for some reason everybody has 4 eyes except for the cactus. Not sure why. It comes in 2 styles. There is the chicken nugget version or the Big Mac version. That's all they have available, and you can get medium or large. It's a little more expensive than a regular meal. The medium is $9.49 and the large is $9.99. I went ahead and got the large because I'm really hungry, and so let's see what's inside.
This is the first time seeing it.
That's right.
All
right, we got
large fries.
Large fries. Big Mac, no cheese. And
the toy. Let's see who we got. I hope we got the cactus or the Hamburglar.
I'm hoping it's the Hamburglar, yes.
Or the cactus.
So let's move this out of the way.
Cactus is my new favorite. Just after seeing him.
And apparently this is like a collaboration with Cactus Plant Flea Market.
I don't know what that is.
Me neither, but apparently we do now. Ooh, it is the cactus.
Yes! I wanted that one.
So there he is.
Can
Stands
I see him?
up.
Ooh, he has 4 eyes too.
It's made out of hard plastic. He has 4 eyes. Oh, I didn't notice. He does have 4 eyes. He has a McDonald's hat and a shirt on, so I guess he's like a McDonald's worker. I was kind of hoping for a Hamburglar, but I will gladly settle with with Mr. Cactus here. Most likely give it to my son. That's that.
Me.
If you're real big into nostalgia and you just want to check it out, go to your local McDonald's and pay a couple extra bucks for a nostalgia box and a plastic figure. All right, see you in the next video. Bye.